5 reasons why seniors should drink garlic water. What do you know about garlic? Keeps vampires away? Check. Makes your breath stink? Check. However, did you know it's also one of the oldest and most potent superfoods on the planet? Today, we're going to be talking about a unique way to take this smelly little flowering plant, garlic water. While it may sound unusual, garlic water has been used by medical practitioners for hundreds of years thanks to its incredible health benefits. Whether you're dealing with high blood pressure, trying to improve your digestion, or looking to boost your immune system, garlic water could be just what you need. Let's get started. The power of garlic. Garlic may be small, it's packed with nutrients that can significantly impact your health. Inside your average bulb of garlic, you'll find essential vitamins like vitamins C and B6, as well as minerals like manganese and selenium. But what really makes garlic a superfood is a special compound called allicin. Allicin is actually what gives garlic its strong aroma. But more importantly, it provides some powerful medicinal properties. For starters, studies indicate that allicin can help lower blood pressure, support heart health, and even ward off harmful bacteria and viruses. In fact, the combination of nutrients and allicin makes garlic a natural powerhouse that fights illness and keeps your body functioning smoothly. For seniors, maintaining a strong immune system and protecting against infections is key to staying healthy. So, by incorporating garlic water into your diet, you're giving your body's natural defenses a much-needed boost. To make the garlic water, all you need to do is peel a few cloves of garlic and then crush or cut them before tossing them into some water. Let this mixture sit for a day or two, then plug your nose and consume. You'll get all the benefits, but with a reduced odor and no burn. As you're about to see, a glass a day of this simple concoction may indeed be able to keep the doctor away. For instance, garlic is a natural antibiotic. As we age, our immune systems tend to weaken, leaving us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. But garlic is actually a powerful antibiotic, antimicrobial, and antiviral. For this reason, regularly drinking garlic water can help to create a much more hostile environment for bacteria and viruses, reducing the risk of respiratory infections, colds, and other common ailments. Basically, the nutrients from the garlic act as a shield, protecting your body from germs. On top of that, drinking garlic water can help clear mucus from your airways and calm irritated breathing passages, reducing the frequency and length of colds. Like what you're hearing so far. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for even more tips and tricks to staying young and healthy. Garlic is great for your gut and liver. Digestive health is crucial, particularly as we age. In fact, older people tend to have a much slower digestive process, which can lead to issues like bloating and dyspepsia. Fortunately, garlic water has been shown to promote smoother digestion by helping to encourage your body to produce more digestive enzymes. These in turn help your stomach break down food more efficiently, meaning that you absorb more nutrients. And there's even better news. Garlic water also supports your liver, which you probably know is responsible for detoxifying your body. Well, studies show that garlic actually enhances this process by boosting the elimination process, leaving you refreshed and energized. Garlic's role in cleansing the liver can be especially helpful for seniors, as a well-functioning liver is essential for general health and wellness. Garlic can lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common issue for seniors, and it can lead to more severe health problems if left unchecked. Fortunately, garlic water has been shown to naturally lower blood pressure, making it an excellent remedy for managing hypertension. The key to garlic's blood pressure lowering effect lies in its ability to relax blood vessels. By doing so, garlic allows blood to flow more easily through your arteries, reducing strain on your heart. In fact, regular consumption of garlic water has been linked to significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure which reduces the likelihood of heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. Garlic can lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a common issue as we age, especially for those of us with family history. The main problem with elevated cholesterol is that it can lead to the buildup of plaque in your arteries, significantly boosting the likelihood of developing heart disease. But here's where garlic water can come in handy yet again. This is because garlic contains compounds that help break down cholesterol, preventing it from clogging your blood vessels. More specifically, garlic helps reduce LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol, while raising HDL cholesterol, the good kind. In fact, studies show that regular garlic consumption can reduce LDL levels by as much as 10 to 15%. Garlic is a great anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is the body's response to harmful stimuli, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to all sorts of issues, from joint pain to heart disease. Fortunately, garlic contains compounds that help fight inflammation, calming the body's immune response and reducing strain on affected areas. This can be particularly helpful for seniors dealing with issues like arthritis, where joint inflammation can lead to pain and stiffness. Research has even shown that garlic oil can work as an anti-inflammatory when applied topically. So if you notice that your regular garlic water regimen isn't doing enough, you can also try rubbing garlic oil directly onto sore or inflamed joints and muscles for some much-needed relief. As you can see, garlic water offers a wealth of health benefits, particularly for seniors. From boosting your immune system and supporting digestion to lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, garlic is truly a superfood in a category all its own. By incorporating garlic water into your daily routine, you're not only improving your overall well-being, but also taking proactive steps toward a healthier future. As always, it's important to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you're taking medications or have pre-existing health conditions. But for most people, garlic water is a safe, simple, and effective way to support better health. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We are constantly putting out fun videos on everything related to wellness. Please remember, this video is meant for educational purposes and is not medical advice.